Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. And then also from a disclosure standpoint, I do own Apple in my retirement accounts. So just keep that in mind as I progress through the analysis here. So earnings on Tuesday for this one, and then today I found very fascinating because things were looking shaky at first. I mean, when you think about it, price gapped up. That's great. Price made a very nice move up during that first 30 minutes. And then from that point, down it went, and things were looking pretty shaky. However, from that point, the price recovered extremely impressively, got the bounce up, and then spent the remainder of the day just consolidating. From that, in and of itself, I think there's a lot of strength in that. Now, that doesn't mean that this thing's going to go up to 350, but like I said, things were definitely very, very shaky. And then you also factor in that the market this afternoon was rolling back over. So you think about it, the market was going down this afternoon, and Apple, didn't explode upwards, but Apple was just going sideways. So didn't really care what the overall markets were doing. So overall, a strong day when you factor in those various dynamics. As far as levels of support going forward, the level that really stands out to me, and what I'm going to continue to keep an eye on, is right down there at the 322.50 mark. This was a former area of resistance, and then that's just basic technical analysis. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that's exactly what happened there. So keep an eye on 322 from a support standpoint, and then also going forward, a very streamlined way to watch and continue to monitor the health of the movement is just to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes on, that line is going to just continue to move itself higher and higher. And the most straightforward way to use that is just quite simply, as long as the price is above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone best visualize that. That is what is being represented. And then from the resistance side of things, nothing fancy at all. It's all a matter of this area right up here around 327.50. That was the top portion of this area. And, while not a guarantee, the price is definitely within striking distance of potentially getting a breakout going forward. So we'll see what happens with it. But all in all, considering the various factors out there, I would consider today quite the healthy day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.